Rivière for a little kayak, but it started to rain, so I'm going to wait it out under the bridge. Might as well wait here instead of in the car, right? Never know what could happen. The Solidaire calendar told us it was going to be a bad day of fishing. It's 1 p.m. It's not the best time, but it's the only time I have it. The wind is calming down. Let's head out. I got these Pelican scupper plugs. I'm gonna put them at least in the 4 holes under my bacon, trying to not to get my butt wet. Hopefully they work. They seem to fit just fine. These should come standard with the kayak though. Alright. I think this is going to solve another problem. So first things first, I made myself a cup holder. I'm using Velcro strips so it'll stay in place, and I use a plastic jar with a removable cap. So if ever I decide to change it to make it higher or lower, well, just keep the cap, don't have to buy new Velcros, and we're good to go. So let's just peel these guys right off. Stick them in place. We got ourselves a cup holder. Could also use it to put some lures, because we've got a bottle holder right here. I usually put my coffee here, but you can't put an open container. So the scupper plugs are hanging in pretty good. There's a slight leak, but not quite as bad as it was. And the power worm does it. Not anchored in. He's gonna take me for a ride. Probably a bass because it jumped. Not a humongous fish, but it's a fish. On this little rod though. Very cool. Very, very cool. So we've got, you know, well, what about this ruler, man? How does it work? Probably 12 inches, something like that. Later, alligator. Crush the power worm.